Hey, welcome back to Blanchy Talks Watches. Today we've got another unboxing video. This one's a little bit different because I actually bought the watch myself. A quick wrist check before we start. I've got the 960 Field Watch. This is the Dot, super cool watch. Might have launched by the time this video comes out, not sure, but check out 960.co.uk or republicoftime.ie for more details. Okay, we'll jump straight in. So this is a Synoke watch, AliExpress special basically, and it cost me about the same as a fancy cup of coffee. I've been kind of trawling through AliExpress just looking at super cheap watches, basically watches you can buy when you don't have any budget at all. So I landed on this one. I figured one cup of coffee less and I'll get this instead. Okay, so straight away you can see it is a digital watch and it is colourful. Okay, I was thinking I'd get something that I could use kind of when I'm going out for a cycle, something a bit fun for the summer, and as I said, something that really doesn't cost much at all. There we have it. This is I suppose it's a homage, and it's probably getting a bit close to being a copy of quite a famous Casio watch that I don't believe comes in this colour. But there we have it. That's pretty cool. It actually feels better in the hand than I expected. I thought the strap feels quite soft and flexible. I was expecting more of a brittle feel to it, but yeah, it's actually a bit of stretch on it there. Yeah, God, it's not too bad. What's it say on the back? 3 out of water resistance. And there's someone swimming, which I wouldn't swim ever with a 3 out of watch. Just 30 meters. Okay, we've got the peel there. Okay. So let's see what the instructions say. If they're even in English, or are they just in Chinese? Just Chinese? Sure, here's instructions anyway. Oh, they do actually. Full English instructions. Different series of different descriptions and classifications. Alright, I don't care. We'll just have a look at it and see what it does. And there's a light apparently. Oh yeah. Yeah, that actually looks to be matched to. Yeah, that is matched. Pretty much exactly matched to the colour of the watch, which is very cool. Don't really know the specs, don't know the size, don't know any of that. Throw on the wrist and see what it looks like. For reference, my wrist is 7¼ inches. Okay, quite a long strap. 7¼ inches and all that overhang. Yeah, I mean, it's definitely cheap, but it doesn't feel as cheap as I expected. Luminous dual time. Synoke, I think. Start, reset, mode, and light. So mode, we've got stopwatch. Cool. Then you've got I think that's time send mode. An alarm. Yeah, other than that, I don't really know. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's about as good as I would have expected, and to be honest, if you were getting a Casio genuine version of this, probably not going to feel a huge amount better. This is only, as I said, I think it was $5 or $6. I'll put a link in the description, probably an affiliate link. If it is, I will make sure to let you guys know. Any of my affiliate links go directly back into supporting the channel, so much appreciated if you do use them. Yeah, pretty happy with this one. The fit and finish is better than I was expecting. I thought it was going to look like a toy and feel like a toy, but it actually feels like a cheap Casio, to be honest. So yeah, super short one today. I'm going to leave it at that. I'll wear this and I'm going to wear it cycling, and I'm not going to baby it at all. I'll bash this around and do a review in a few weeks or months and see how we get on with it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please drop a like, comment and subscribe below, and yeah, let me know what you think, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.